Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Clapper app, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how I got unlimited coins. I'm going to show you a trick, a mod, whatever you can call it, that will give you unlimited coins in the app, guys. I already tried in my both devices, iOS and Android. Today I decided to do the steps with my iPhone, but the same steps are working also for the Android. So if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android for different reasons that you have, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to make a tutorial also for the Android, but as I mentioned before, the steps are the same for the both devices. Okay, I already created a new account, completely new, just to show you that how you can get it, guys, from the beginning. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to open the app real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you that what you have to do and where you have to go. So I'll go to my profile over here. As you can see, completely new account. Just go here in the settings and then Clapper coins, and as you can see, completely a lot of coins. And now I'm going to show you guys that how you can be able to get it also you this amount that I got it. Okay, so before you start the loading process of this mod, we can call it, which will generate you coins in the app, you need to make few changes in the settings, guys, which it means that you need to go to the settings, scroll it down, press general, sorry, then go down till to the background app refresh, select background app refresh again, make sure you're going to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is going to help that the loading process of this mod doesn't interrupt, so the whole process can be done correctly. So after you complete this one, just get back again to the settings, go down to the battery. If you are using lower power mode, guys, make sure you're going to switch it off before you start this process. So after you finish the whole thing, you can come back in the battery and you can make it active lower power mode if you prefer to have it active. Okay, so guys, these steps that I mentioned to you right now are only for the iOS users. Okay, for the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. You just need to go straight to your internet browser. So also for the iOS, after these steps, you need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. You need to type this website, which I'm going to type for you guys, and I'm going to focus it immediately. Sorry for the focus. Okay, here we are. Okay, so this is the name of the website. You just need to enter inside of it, and the moment you enter, as you can see, you have different categories over here. Practically we are looking for a mod, so you can just press the mod over here and scroll it to find it out where it is, or you just type in the searching bar Clapper, or you just start some keywords and here it will come. Clapper mod, it says, press the blue sign over here, and then you have the whole description over here, as you can see, and all you have to do is just to press the blue button of the downloading. It will start the loading process of this mod. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod in your app, and it will start to generate the coins in your Clapper mod, Clapper app, as the same as it did to me, guys. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.